Hey guys, it's me again, Leslie. So today I'm going to perform a typing test on a typing test website. So be 2 minutes, and it should be Aesop's Fables, and then 30 words per minute typing speed, and the accuracy should be 90%. So let's start. I'm going to start the typing test. So this is my keyboard there and me. I go to the typing test website. Then the options should be 2 minutes test. Should be Aesop's Fables. So my typing speed in words per minute is 38, and then I have no mistyped words, so my accuracy is 100%. So
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.